Wacky wavy inflatable flailing arm tube guy typewriter. That's what this reminds me of. You know those inflatable guys that are out there in the parking lot trying to sell you pizza and car insurance and cars? That's me. I'm the wacky flailing waving arm inflatable tube guy. It's late and I've been selling typewriters all day. Is this how typewriter salesmen felt in the 50s? Is this why everybody drank in the 50s? Because we're all just out here flailing around trying to sell our wares to people that don't really want to buy these things, but they buy them anyway from us out of a love for these things. Because look at them. They're great. They're great machines. It's like that vacuum that picks up all the cat litter and the marbles and the bowling ball, and you get it home, and as soon as it gets stuck on the curtain rod, or the curtain, it smokes and starts puffing out smoke. And you know, the sales guy did his job. He sold you the vacuum cleaner. What am I talking about? I'm not selling vacuums, but I might as well, because this thing kind of sucks. Not really. I am a huge Royal Diana collector fan, love-hate relationship kind of guy. I've had my share of them, one too many of them, and they're all bad. Not all of them. Like 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10 are good. The rest of them are bad. They're just so overly engineered and fragile, and like when I'm typing on it, I'm expecting it to break. Just because there's so many systems in these machines that I have tweaked to get right, that when you spend like 200 hours under the hood of a typewriter, because it needs every little bit of help it can get. Every bar is off, twisted, bumped, and they put it in a soft case. Maybe that was why. Royal, you got this machine from Germany. This is a German machine, by the way. Royal purchased the Diana Typewriter Company, and they slapped their logo on it, and it's turned into a Royal. But it's all German engineering, and this is like German engineering at its finest. You know why you get a BMW and it's in the repair shop all the time, because, hey man, you got to have the best engineered everything. And this thing is pretty freaking engineered for a typewriter. But because of that, like look, here's an example, guys. Here's the spacebar shaft, okay? If you look at the spacebar shaft, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on the inside there's another one, 7, 8. There's 8 adjustable things just for this rod. To do what, man? To do what? To be a rod? You don't need a rod. Look at Royal. They built all their typewriters out of coat hangers. You don't need it, Germany. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the option to adjust these things to the nth hairline degree, and then put it in a soft case where it gets tumbled around and knocked. Anyway, what are we doing here? Selling typewriters on a Saturday night? I'm sober too, guys, by the way. Like two or 3 years sober. This is just having fun with typewriters. And you guys are probably getting dizzy just looking around at this machine while I ramble on about stuff. But this is the last machine I have to list. And this is part of the swirl collection I did last early the year. And this is a water dipped process where you put special paint on the top of water, and you submerge the parts, and as you're dipping it in, it kind of rubs over it and it sticks, and you can see it. Look, you can see how it's got like bubbles, and I mean, it's water. You used water to paint this thing. And this machine is actually perfect. Like, this is the last working Everest I have. I probably have 20 junk ones in storage. But this one works for now. I mean, as I'm typing on it, I'm hoping it still works. Because you never know. Did I say Everest? I'm sorry, it's still not Everest. Diana. Everest is my other wife. Take my money, this is the best machine can get. This thing works. even then, I don't know. I probably wasn't even looking at the keys when I was typing. I was just, see, it's got some space. Oh my gosh, guys, I was trying to sell this thing. Okay, well, we'll get back under the hood and we'll see what's going on with this machine. I'm still gonna put it up for sale if anybody wants it. It's a Diana in a crazy color. And you know what, when I was doing this machine, I was like, finally I found the perfect Diana to custom paint and get out to people. I put this thing together, and the rear mounting pin for that body mount, it's broken off, and I just didn't see that when I was taking it apart. So I custom painted and did all this work on this machine, and it's got a broken corner, but it doesn't affect anything other than the fact that it's not 100% over in that side. So anyway, guys, this is the last typewriter that I'm going to throw into the timeline for now. I'm still working on stuff, so we'll get more machines out to you. But I thought I'd have a little chat with you guys. So, typewriters, see you later.